Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add tags to your photos in OneDrive. If you're tired of endlessly scrolling, searching, and squinting at tiny thumbnails trying to find a specific photo in your cloud storage, this is the method for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to organize your OneDrive photo collection with quick searchable tags, making future photo hunts a breeze. Let's get started. First, on your web browser, head over to OneDrive.com and sign into your account. If you've got two-factor authentication turned on, just take a moment to verify. That extra step is worth it for keeping your files safe. Once you're in, you'll land on the main OneDrive interface, which is where all your files and folders live in the cloud. Now, look over on the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a navigation pane, sort of like a menu for getting around in OneDrive. Go ahead and click on the Photos tab. This will filter your view so you're just seeing the photos you've uploaded, rather than documents or other file types. If you've never used these tabs before, they're a super handy way to sort and find things fast. Next, let's select a photo you want to tag. Hover over any photo and you'll see a little checkmark appear in the corner. Give that a click if you want to select without opening the image. Alternatively, if you'd rather get a closer look at a file, just click once to open the photo fully. Either way, you're telling OneDrive, this is the file I want to work with. Now, with your photo selected, move your attention up to the top of the page. In the command bar, you'll see several choices. Look for Edit Tags. If you see it, click on it. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. Sometimes OneDrive puts things in different spots depending on your screen size or updates. If that's the case, try clicking on the small circle with the letter I inside, usually called the information icon. This opens a details pane on the right where you'll find a section specifically for tags, here where the magic happens. In the tags area, you'll spot a box labeled Add Tag. Start typing any word or short phrase that makes sense for your photo. For example, if it's a picture of your dog at the park, you might use dog, park, or even something more specific like Bella's birthday 2024. Press Enter after each tag. You can add as many meaningful tags as you want. Think of them like sticky notes, but digital. These tags will be tied to these files in the cloud, so you can later search for specific words and quickly pull up every related photo, no matter how much your library grows. Take your time here. This step is all about making things easier for your future self. That extra minute or two you spend tagging your files now could save you loads of time digging through old folders later. And remember, there's no way to do this wrong. You can always add or edit tags later if you change your mind or think of something better. And that's it. Your photos now have smart, searchable tags that'll make finding memories so much less of a hassle. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help. And of course, subscribe if you want more step-by-step tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy tagging.